Hello YouTube, what is up? I have fixed the sunroof on the Fusion, so now it opens and closes. And yesterday I have worked on the MKZ, tried to straighten out this hood, put the bumper on to test if it fits. So far over here, this needs to be bent back a little. This hood looks pretty good except for these dents which are going to be filled in. And these hood hinges, which will probably need to be replaced. And in here, I tried changing out the radio with a Lincoln touchscreen radio, however it doesn't work with this car. So if you have a standard radio and you are trying to upgrade it to the touchscreen one, it will not work. And under the seat, I changed out the... And under the seat, I got the heated and cooled seats module working. Over here, if I can show you on this extra seat rail, there's a wire that burns out on these. This clip has to be changed out. However, I still got mine to work. Mine wasn't burnt out as bad as this seat rail. So this seat rail is extra parts, and this, which is the motor for the sunroof, is extra. And this is also extra. I bought an entire sunroof assembly for this car, so I parted out the rest of the broken track, and I will list these parts on eBay. So over here, fixing this corner, I straightened the hood out as best as I can with that dent, and this fender over here needs to be pushed down because it sits too high. And this headlight I got off of Craigslist from some guy for $70, which is a lot, but still the cheapest one on eBay is $150. However, this one, every single tab is broken off on this, so I guess I will have to glue this in or somehow just make this work. This bumper over here cost $370. It's a aftermarket bumper, and I ordered paint for the bumper, the fender, the hood, and the door, and that cost me $250. So how this corner looks, from far away it looks pretty good, except over here, this does need to be bent down, this needs to be bent in, and I also changed the crash bar out. The guy sold it to me for $30, so I just went ahead and replaced that too. Still airing out this car since it still smells like smoke. I have the doors open as much as I can, and I still need to work on these dents over here. Thank you guys for watching. That is it for now. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I now have 20 subscribers, and big thanks to Fix Bros for shouting me out. That helped me a lot. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.